Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can take off your cards or how you can just remove your cards or other payment methods on Temu. So let's get right into it. Now what you need to do first is you need to go into your orders and account. So just click on that and you'll be taken to your account page. And from here, you're going to go into your profile or wherever it is that your payment methods are. Well, in your payment methods is the tab where you want to go. And now, as you can see, my payment methods are empty because I don't have any payment methods listed. Now, if you have some payment methods listed, all you have to do is find the payment method that you want, and there should be a button to remove them right next to them. If not, then just all you need to do is just enter that payment method, click on it, and then you'll have the option to remove it somewhere on your screen, and you just need to click that and confirm it, and that should be it. Now, once you remove that, then you can add a new credit or debit card or any other payment method. You can use PayPal for quick checkout after you select your items in your cart. But that is pretty much it. All you need to do, just locate your payment method over in your settings, delete it, and that is pretty much it. You're good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.